Smith. I'm sorry for calling you so late. It's about one of your patients. I have some bad news.
So you're telling me you've never taken drugs? I don't believe you for a second.
We're straying off topic. We need to discuss what's making you rely on these substances to cope with your emotions.
Have you been spiked?
Let's focus on the subject of this conversation.
Have you ever considered the law of attraction? You know, that none of this is actually real, not even our emotions.
People find comfort in a lack of attachment. Let's brainstorm some healthy alternatives for you to deal with these emotions.
You see, the thing is, Dr. Smith, if the whole country was somehow spiked with the same drug, all of us on the same wavelength, you know, the same frequency, then all of the pain would stop. Everything.
Enough. Channel these thoughts into something more realistic and tangible.
But we aren't even real. You know, we're simply one consciousness, experiencing this in our own way. Simply connected to the universe through frequencies. I mean, we're nothing but a skin cell. A fleck of dust. We're nothing. I mean, death isn't even real. It's just a perception. Doesn't that sound great to you?
Do you think you have this mindset because there are feelings you fail to confront? Like forgiveness?
Forgiveness is the only thing that sets us free. Do you know how to do that, Dr. Smith? It's by understanding that all of this is just a simulation. And that the drugs are the only thing that help. Dr. Smith?
Yes, Ali.
Have you ever considered the astral plane?
What?
Is everything okay?
Yeah, just I haven't been getting much sleep recently.
You know, joint always relaxes me.
Yeah. No.
So you finally admit it?
You've got it wrong.
It's fine. It's not like it's angel dust.
Angel dust?
You haven't been spiked?
What's your angle?
I just want to help people. The truth is, recreational drugs are universal, you know, from alcohol to LSD. Almost everyone I know has benefited from them. Drugs aren't bad.
This conversation can't leave this room.
What, that you've smoked a bit of weed? Chill out, Dr. Smith. Oh, it's all beans. Forgiveness is the only way to set
Have you ever
yourself
considered
free.
a drug like that yet?
I think you need to address the elephant in the room.
Elephant? Hey?
You couldn't save me, could you, Dr. Smith? You didn't even try. This is your fault.
No, I tried.
An elephant never forgets. They all have experiences. They experience happiness, sadness, love, pride, guilt. Think about how strong they are, and yet they're afraid of bees. They run from bees, like you run from guilt. And their sting, it can be fatal. The point is, Dr. Smith, forgiveness, it's not about erasing the past. It's about remembering you did what was best in the moment. Now you need to move on and heal. It's about time you let this go, Dr. Smith, Dr. Smith, Dr. Smith.
Now, before we get started, there is something I would like you to know. My methods are rather unique. Can I get you a glass of water?